Welcome everybody. I thought, why not do an Airbnb house tour? So we're here in Aibrnb area of Cerdanya in the Pyrenees. And well, look, this is our little cottage here with these amazing views of the round and the mountains and the valley. Barking dogs obviously as well. But first of all, let's just go outside. We've got this little terrace area to share there, and it's got some wash laundry room and some other stuff there. That's really handy to have. But then we've got our own little outdoor table where we can hang our washing as well. Great. Let's get inside. Just ran an ultra marathon, so some shoes there. Come on, let's go. Shoes off, you know what they say. So, welcome to the house. First of all, as you walk in, let's just turn some lights on. We've got a wonderful seating area. This is where we sit and talk and eat, as you probably know. I'm just joking. Kitchen, really nice big sink. Keep our food out here. We're using this here for our fruit, but actually we're leaving tomorrow, so there's not much left. Can't juggle. So let's go around here. Then on this side we've got the lounge area, which is super nice as well. Actually a really comfortable sofa. I've been sitting in the evenings here and just looking at walks or runs or reading about what I can do for the running, for Ultra Pirineu, analysing my results and everything. There'll be some videos on that as well, either before or after, whichever way around. It was a little bit cold last night, so we had a fire, which was really nice. And then with those great views over there. One thing that's really awesome, like Emma pointed out, was when you're sat down at this table over here and you look out of the window, you just see like a wall of green. I'm not sure if it's actually going to come out on the camera very well, but you can see it's just like a complete wall of green, and it's just amazing. But yeah, it's really nice open space. The nice big wood beams as well. It's just really beautiful. TV, we've never turned it on. Thanks Emma for showing the whole wooden beam. I'm pretty sure everyone's really happy. We've got our jackets, a door that leads to nowhere. Yeah, it's just decoration. But it's really nicely decorated. And one thing that is also really nice about this place is obviously if you look around most of the time, it's like this stone wall. And the floor is so hard as well that it just really, it holds like the coolness through the daytime, but also can keep the heat through the night, which is really nice. Then downstairs, first of all, we've got the bedroom where we've been sleeping in here. So just really nice room here. Not really much to explain, just really nicely decorated. And then it looks out into the courtyard where you heard those dogs barking earlier. But yeah, then through here we've got what everybody always really looks forward to, apart from the tourist bathroom. Nice sink, really nicely decorated as well around here. I mean, I'm not really one much for aesthetics, and I don't pick for aesthetics, but it looks nice. So, you know, when you're brushing your teeth, you're thinking, yeah, I look nice and it looks nice. Really nice, huge shower. I really like this shower. It's got, you know, if I stand in it, no, got wet feet now. Toilet, we don't want to see that. And then we've got another bedroom, but we've not been really using it. And yeah, looks out into the courtyard as well. It's super nice. We did come in here. Just stop pointing it over the wall. And yeah, it's just another bedroom that we've not really been using. But let's go back upstairs and go through some of that stuff. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to do a quick Airbnb tour. It's a really nice place and located not too far from Belvedere Cerdanya, at the top of the Cadi de Montero, Cadi Tunnel. And yeah, I'll leave a link down below if anyone's interested. And there you go. Thank you very much for watching. Do like and subscribe, and see you next time.